Alright guys, there's daytime in Garmin Firm 620. And wow, listen to that chime. And we are here at the Rolling Meadows Public Library in Rolling Meadows, Illinois. Look at this call button, doesn't it look amazing? But anyways, we're going to set up to the upper level. And we're going to watch this go up. The motion indicator here. It's kind of a rapid start. Got a really nice motor. So here we are at the upper level, and see if we can ring the bell from in here. I don't think we can. Let's ring the bell. Okay.
Okay.
Guess we can't ring it from outside. Also, watch this. Got your bumper and oops,
That was loud.
I know. Okay, should close now.
Slow door.
It's probably gonna reopen since I called it from outside.
Anyways, just get a cab.
Oh no, I guess not. Anyways, yeah, it's just a basic elevator.
Indicator. Fixture.
I don't know if I said in the beginning, but it's an automatic elevator. But anyways, there's your indicator. Stick it of inspection. Fixtures. See, automatic elevator. Use your phone there. So, if I'm correct, there's a machine room out here that will. I think if I'm correct, machine room is right here, but I'm not sure. Actually, take that back. That's not machine room. That's some other staff room. Oh, wait, it's back here. Oh wait, no. It's probably behind that wall or something, but it's too late now. Anyways, that will be it.